Hey guys, today I'll be teaching you guys um things you need to know about this UI layout on the home page. So guys, you guys everything you need to know on this modified phone. Without wasting of our time, move, copy, stretch, rotate, mirror, scale, trim, um chamfer and rectangular array, erase, explode and offset. So they have their different works which have different um, purposes in this AutoCAD. So now the first one we have here is move. Move here is to move an object from one place to another. As you guys can see now, just select the object, then click move. Select your base point where you want to start to move. I'll click at the center here. As you can see, yeah, move this object from here to there. So now another thing you have here is copy. Select the object, press enter, then press your base point, copy as many as you want, as it. And another thing you have here is stretch. Have here is stretch. Now to stretch, select the object, click on stretch, then come here and click displacement and object stretch, and it also moves it from one place to another. Guys, that thing we have here is also rotate an object from its original position to another, like 90-degree and 360 and 180-degree, depending on your drawing and how you choose to and click on the object you want to rotate, press enter, then click your base point here or any place you want. So let me choose here. As you guys can see, i'm rotating it to the place I want it to be. I want it to be at this original position, so I keep it this way. And that we have is mirror. Mirror shows you exactly the object you draw. You duplicate it just one time. So now click at the object you want to mirror, then press enter to activate it. As you guys can see, choose your base point, then click. You guys can see, then press enter. This is my mirrored object, as you guys can see it. So now that we have is scale. This scale helps us to increase or decrease our object to the number or to the size we want. So now I will increase it and also decrease it. So I'll select the object you want to scale, press enter, then specify your size. I will choose 4, then enter. As you can see, it decreases. So now to increase it is select the object and scale, then press 10 to increase. As you guys can see, it has increasing to another point. So now another thing we have is another thing we have here is trim, and under trim we have expand and trim. So and here we have fillet. So now what we have is trim. Trim helps us to cut the unwanted part of an object. It helps us to cut the unwanted part, like this object now. like this object now. To trim it, the unwanted part, go to this place, click trim, then click here. As you guys can see, I've trimmed the unwanted part of this object that I do not want. As you guys can see it now. And expand expand here is to fill the spaced place. As you guys can see it here, is to fill it to the normal position here. As you guys can see, it has filled the gap that I trimmed. So another thing you have is fill it here helps us to fill our lines correctly without no mistake. Let me show you guys an example like this. So now like this I drew here. I want to fill it. I'll go to fill it here, click on it, then click here and here. As you guys can see, it has given it a curved shape exactly as I want it to be. So, and we also have chamfer. Chamfer here is deals with zigzag zigzag lines like this, not a straight line like this. So if I want to join this together with chamfer, I will click on it, then click this object here inside, then here to fill it very well. If I click here, if I click at this edge here, see what happens. You see guys? So click wisely, then click inside here like this, and your drawings will be unique. This is guys. So another thing you have is a rectangular array, and to draw this rectangular array, go to rectangle here, draw your rectangle as small as you can, then go to this rectangular array here, click on it, then click on this rectangle, press enter to activate command. So now you can set your array here depending on what you want to use it for. Then after you close the array, then what you another thing you have is erase. Erase here helps us to clean everything we want to clean permanently, as you guys can see it right now. So another thing we have is explode. Explode here helps us to edit our joint shape or joint object, to edit it separately. As you guys can see, this rectangle is a polyline. As you guys can see, it's a polyline, and if you want to convert it to line, only line, like this one now, only line. So what you will do is to go to this explode, click on it, then click on this rectangle, press enter to activate the command. As you guys can see, the rectangle is not joined together again. It's now a line, not a polyline. You guys can see on the screen. So now another thing you have is offset. Offset here helps us to choose the thickness of our house. You guys can see my thickness. This is my thickness. How to offset? Then I will use fillet. This is where fillet comes. Fillet to join them together. Where fillet comes to join them together. So guys, thank you for watching my video today. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more updates. Thank you and remain blessed.